Thank you for watching this video. I am going to bring you either tips, helps, or something that I have found on the web in this video. So stay tuned and please subscribe. Also, I have some affiliate offers down below. Click those, and we appreciate all those that have supported us and are coming along with us. Stay tuned for the video. This is JJ Media. We'll be right back. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe. Okay, I wanted to show you a problem real quick that I actually came across. I was creating a new page, a new landing page for one of the challenges and the video promotions that I'm doing specifically for myself, challenging people that I can rank. If you have a business, I can rank you on the first page of YouTube. But one of the things that I'm having issue with is WordPress, the image fading. If you see the faded out image, it's showing up very faded. I found out the issue, and I've been trying to track this down for the last several days, and I've uninstalled, kind of FTP'd to my website. I would rename the plugin folder. I knew it had to be a plugin. Well, I found out which one, and it is one that is, surprisingly enough, is mainly from WordPress. So we're going to go over and I'm going to show you where the problem is. So I'm going to deactivate JetPack by WordPress. I've had issues with this before, just not this type of issue. I'm going to deactivate that. Okay, deactivated. Now let me go back over to my site. Bingo. That takes care of it. That's frustrating. I've been trying to track this down, but that is the problem. The JetPack plugin is the issue. That is one reason. I used to use it a lot, but that's one reason I've kind of shied away from it. So, hope this helps you out. JetPack is the issue. That's the fix. Deactivate it. Find other things that you can use. Hope you enjoyed this video. We'll see you on the next one. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. Make sure you subscribe, and if you are a church, ministry, or nonprofit organization, I would like to talk to you because I can help you maximize your marketing efforts. We thank you again for watching this video, and we hope these tips, these helps, do help your organization or small business. Be sure to subscribe.